Hey guys, I just walked into RC Fuel Injection and check this thing out. I was just working with these injectors right here for the MR2 Spider, and check it out. These things were hating it. Look, dripping, fair, dripping, and look how low these things are. They're supposed to be at 250, and so this is really affecting horsepower. Check out these guys. That's where we needed to be. And they check the spray pattern. They give me all the old parts and they put new parts on them. Check these things out. So check it out. Here is a brand new one. So brand new O-ring, brand new filter in there. Let me focus on that thing a little bit right there. Filter. Obviously there's a nice cap to keep it nice and clean. They also give you this new O-ring down here, and check out how clean that thing is right there. This is quality work right here. So if you guys need your fuel injections cleaned, you should check out RC Fuel Injection. Yes, they ship all over the world. Here's their address and phone number. And that's Mari Car over there. That's who you're gonna be talking to over the phone. And yes, you can use my discount code. I'll post it in the description.